मॉर्निंग ते सवयले मामलेदार बीन सवयले मामलेदार पिया म्हटलें 8 दिसांनी तुमी आज येता.
Hi, my name is Michael Ferns and I'm the chairman of the Goa Citizens Welfare Trust. Today is the second day that I have come over here, but this hunger strike is on since the 8th. Today is the 8th day, and I am over here. I have come here since yesterday. There are 2 days, the second day. Today the situation has worsened because three of the staff have been taken to the GMC. Okay, because of the hunger strike, their sugar level has dropped, their pressure has gone up. Okay, and they are suffering from some kind of pressure problems. Now, these people are on a hunger strike because of injustice in our state of Goa, where the poor are the ones that are victimized. Okay, but at the same time, they have a lot for the powerful and the power. All right. Now we need something to be done over here before something goes wrong. We already have, as you have already seen, we have two of them who have already been taking. They were already taken to the doctor, to the hospital. Okay, and they have been released, but they are over here. They are still on a hunger strike, and they are not going to give up till the time they get something in writing. Tomorrow is the time where they are going to be meeting up with the Deputy CM, hoping that he makes a decision, and that decision should come in public, and that decision has to be in writing. Because after 8 days of hunger, of having this hunger strike, the government is not going to be, we are not going to allow the government in any way to fool these people by allowing them to break their fast, okay, and then they go back to their U-turns. This is not going to happen, and we are going to make sure that these people are given their right, that even though there were no demands in the past, okay, but now this is what it is. And their demands have to be met under any circumstance. So we are hoping that our Deputy CM does something tomorrow. We are going to be over there to make sure that we back up these people. We are with them 100% of the way. Okay, because these are just normal salaried people. Moreover, there are certain things which are required, which the government is supposed to provide, especially when it comes to the women. Basic necessities are required. So I'm hoping and praying that our CM, our Deputy CM, takes serious action and passes this thing tomorrow, and may these people go and get justice. Thank you. This will go